Hey guys, so as 2020 is coming to a close, I just wanted to say to all of my subscribers, my 55 subscribers thus far, thank you so much guys for, you know, seeing that talent in me and wanting to go along with me as I grow on my YouTube channel, because there's so much more to come. I know right now as I started, it is now all about just refashioning, but I do have plans to branch off and show you guys a little more of me come 2021. I must say, even though 2020 had its very difficult moments in my personal, in my professional life, and then COVID-19 just come and go like Ayana, just added on to that. What, you think you have control? Take this. Like that's how I felt. COVID attacked me. But yeah, even though it had those negatives, I still had some awesome positives. This year I obtained my bachelor's degree in marketing, and I obtained this with honors, and that is just super awesome because it was very challenging as a mom, as an employee, and then coming and adding students to that. It was difficult at times. It was pretty difficult at times, but I made it through, and I'm super happy with, you know, the outcome of that. I also started my YouTube channel, which I wanted to do for quite some time now, but I was battling myself a lot. I didn't want to put myself out there to be criticized by anyone. I wasn't in the mood. I didn't, you know, I just didn't want to have to deal with anybody judging me because I may not be the, you know, I'm not that makeup kind of chick. Like, I'm here in front of you right now and there's not a touch of makeup on my face. Like, go back to all my videos, there's not a touch of makeup on my face. I'm not a makeup person. I don't even pretend to be a makeup person. I like when I come to you guys that I come real and comfortable how I am 24/7. Makeup, if I have to do it, I will. But yeah, I really didn't want to be judged at all, because as I said, I'm not a makeup person. I am not that, you know, slim chick. I'm a thickums. I love to eat. I just really didn't want that, and I was really battling with myself. And it is a true saying, you are always your biggest kickback, your biggest, you know, keep down at anything. Sometimes you just need to really just trust back and say it to yourself, because that's what I end up doing. And that's how I started my YouTube channel. I was just like, you know what, shit that. If somebody have an issue with my size, they can deal with it on their own, because I have none. If somebody has an issue with the fact that I'm not putting on concealer or glancing up before I come and do a video for you guys, yeah, you deal with that. I'm not going to. Right? So I just said that to myself, and I was like, you know what, Ayana, you have so much you can share with people, and I really just want to start to put a bit of myself out there, because I think it will really help my self-growth. I just want to say to you guys, in a short 2020 strong, go into 2021 with a level of positivity, and everything will be fine. I'm gonna give my channel a little twist, a little makeover. Woo! Fireworks starting to go off already. But yeah, so I have a lot planned for you guys. Well, I have a lot planned for the channel come 2021, so look out for it, and see you guys next year.